Hi everyone, I'm Miss Freeman and welcome to Online Singing Assembly. I wanted us to do something a little bit different this week. So what we're going to do is change the words of a well-known song to say thank you to our carers. So that when you go outside at 8 o'clock on a Thursday to do your clap for carers, you could also sing the words to this song or even make up your own words to go with it. And that's that well-known song that we're going to use the tune of today is Frere Jaques. We're going to have a look at singing it both in French and in English before we look at putting some different new words to our song. First though, we need to get our voices warmed up. For our warm-up today, we're going to say la, and we're going to change our notes and we're going to try and do it in different rhythms. Repeat after me. La 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 la. Your try. Are you ready? La 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 la. Next note. La 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 la. And the next one. La 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 la. Go down. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Very good. Now that we've warmed up a little bit, let's have a look at Frere Jaques in French. You'll notice that in this song, the words in every line are repeated. So I'm just going to sing each line once, and if you know the song already, you can sing along with me. And if you're still learning those words, the second time I sing the words, that's when you're going to join in. Let's get ready. Frere Jaques, Frere Jaques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Well done, let's get ready to sing it with our music. 2, 3, go. Frere Jaques, Frere Jaques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. So you can now see the English version. The tune is exactly the same, but our words are in English. So just reading them through, we've got Are You Sleeping, Brother John, Morning Bells Are Ringing, and Ding Dang Dong. Let's have a go with our music. Are you sleeping, Brother John, Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Well done. So we've now got my special version that you could sing with your clap for carers thanking the NHS. So we're going to sing NHS, you are awesome, you are our heroes, we thank you. Get ready, let's try it with our music. NHS, NHS, you're awesome, you're awesome. You are our heroes, you are our heroes. We thank you, we thank you. Now you may have sung Frere Jaques before in a round. And what that means is that we're singing it in different parts. So if there's some other people in your house, try and get them roped in and join you singing in your clap for carers, NHS, you're awesome. So what happens when we're singing in a round is that the first person starts singing. And when they get to the end of the first line and they're singing the second line, then the second person starts singing that first line. And when the second person starts the second line, guess what? A third person can start singing the first line, and so on, depending on how many people you've got that are willing to sing with you today. Have a go. you've enjoyed today's singing assembly and learning to sing Frere Jaques and the Clap for Our Carers song to the tune of Frere Jaques, and I hope you've practiced singing it in a round. Grab whatever you can to make some noise, get out there and clap for our carers and sing them a song. See you next time.